Another advantage of being a real estate agent, specifically if nasa international sales ka, is that you can work anytime and anywhere. Since hawak mo yung oras mo, pwede kang mag-work anytime na pinaka-convenient sa'yo. Like after mo magpaligo ng anak, gumawa ng gawaing bahay, or yung mga activities na kailangan mong unahin. Isa nga lang downside nito is kahit na gabi na or madaling araw. If yun yung time na available yung client, tayo yung mag-a-adjust. Pwede ka ring mag-work kahit saan basta may dala kang laptop or even cellphone. Madalas may activities tayo na nagre-require ng matagal na paghihintay. Halimbawa na lang is pag magpapa-PMS ng sasakyan, hindi magiging sayang lang yung oras mo sa paghihintay dahil habang nasa dealership ka, pwedeng nag-work ka. Di mo rin kailangan mag-file ng vacation leave kung meron kayong out of town. Dahil as long as may internet ka, makakapagtrabaho ka. Kasi as an international property specialist, ang main way to market